All right, now we're going to talk about the community awards. Chris, you were supposed to come out with me. All right, let's talk about Chris Anichek, ladies and gentlemen.
Alrighty, so this is probably my favorite part of our program that we do. We basically, recognize outstanding members of our community for their contributions. And if you listened to me yesterday, there are many ways to contribute to our community. We have people that contribute code, projects, documentation, mentor other folks in the community, host meetups, and we have awards to kind of recognize these folks. But I truly think that we kind of have a saying amongst the CNCF staff that the most valuable project we have in CNCF is the community we all kind of built together. And just to show many different ways of contributions is, I don't know how many people recognize this little character, but Fippy was created by two community members, Matt Butcher and Karen Chu, to basically help explain Kubernetes to kids. And they created a children's book and a bunch of cartoon characters, and now we have this amazing kind of set of characters, children books that people have built over the years that represent other projects and so on. So I just kind of love how playful the community is and how we kind of all contribute in our own unique way. So with all that, I'm going to give it back to George to kind of kick off, and let's go celebrate. Let's go give out some awards.
All right, let's do it. All right, we're going to start with the top end user award. What is an end user? It's pretty simple. Cloud native. They use it, they don't sell it. They consume it. You've been watching their talks this morning. This award represents major contributions in the cloud native ecosystem. On behalf of the fantastic people at Michelin, I'd like to introduce Rafael Goncalves. Oh no.
Yep. Hi everyone. My name is Rafael Gonçalves, and I'm really honored to be here today representing our teams at Michelin. First of all, I wanted to thank the CNCF and the whole Kubernetes community for this recognition. A few years ago, we made a bold choice at Michelin, going all in open source for managing our Kubernetes clusters. And it was not the easiest path to take, as it meant learning new ways of working, trusting a community, but also giving back instead of staying in our comfort zone. But today, we can say that it was a winning bet, thanks to the amazing tools provided by the community and the global collaboration that drives real innovation today. Finally, I wanted to thank the Michelin teams behind that success. Their dedication and passion were key in that achievement. So thank you.
Awesome. Congratulations. We're going to get you situated here. Woo-hoo. Let's get it done. Thank you. Woo. There you got it.
Thank you.
Perfect. Congratulations.
Thank you. All right. You're up, Chris.
Let's do it. So as I mentioned before, we have a variety of different awards. Where's the little clicker? Thank you. We have a variety of different awards that we're going to give out. I'll go kind of into detail of each one. So we have the Lorem Ipsum Award, which represents folks that have done incredible documentation contributions to the CNCF ecosystem. And last year's winners, we had Kim Teng and Haifeng Yao that won, which was awesome. And this year, we have a new set of winners, and I'd like to go point and congratulate them out. So we had Tiffany Harusa and Aiden Delani that are this year's winners, and they should hopefully be spotlighted if we see them. So.
Chris.
There we go. Got him. Thank you. We'll get the awards to you after this and take some pictures. So thank you so much, and congratulations again. Taggies. So we have technical advisory groups in CNCF, which are you can kind of think of them as like small little working groups where people kind of get together and work on different aspects of technology, whether it's application delivery, storage, et cetera. And so taggies are representing folks who have done above and beyond work to improve technical advisory groups in CNCF and contribute and kind of grow those communities. Last year we had Nancy winning in the year before, Catherine Paganini, who have done great work in improving tags in CNCF. This year we have a whole new slew of awardees, and I'd like to congratulate Dawn Foster, Leo Palke, Marina Moore, and Marcio Saltino / Solid Boy for congratulations. Awesome. So, chop wood, carry water is one of our kind of, mantras in the community. Basically, there's a lot of unglorious work that happens behind the scenes, from improving build times, helping, onboard new maintainers, all this kind of critical work that makes an open source project successful. And we've had a huge amount of folks throughout the community that have done amazing work that are all listed here. And, it's my honor to kind of introduce the next tranche of Chop Wood, Carry Water award winners. So this year we have Daniel Houghton, the belated Han Kang, and Janet Kao, Lumir Ivanov, Mario Jason Ragazza, and Yuichi Nakamura-san. So congratulate these folks. Thank you. Moving on, new award. So some of you who were at the last KubeCon, we announced about a year ago that we were going after patent trolls. Patent trolls are coming after, open source projects. Story almost as old as time in open source, and we've done some contests and work to help invalidate patents and fight against these folks who are attacking our open source projects in CNCF. So we'd like to go out and award a set of folks that have done great work in fighting and protecting open source projects by, invalidating awful patents used by patent trolls. So I'd like to go recognize these individuals who've done amazing work in helping protect our ecosystem from these trolls. So Cloud Native Heroes for the last couple of years, we had Chris Michel, our first one, Nico Cavado, Emilio de Pavianetto, Ketan Satadeva, and Rito Tiagi. So congrats to these folks, and we look forward to doing more of these. So patent trolls are truly awful organizations that leech off the open source community, in my opinion. So another new award alert. So we've done a ton of mentorships in CNCF. So you may have not be aware, but if you go to github.com/CNCF/mentoring, we essentially host, 3 times a year, basically opportunities for folks to get involved in our community, contribute to a CNCF project, and get paid a stipend, kind of similar to programs like Google Summer of Code, if you heard about them. So this year, we had a request to go recognize folks that have gone above and beyond in mentoring new contributors to our ecosystem. And when we went and looked at the data, there was one individual and one project in particular that stood out incredibly in this regard. And I'd like to go congratulate Lee Calcote, who has done an amazing job mentoring so many students and individuals of the world. So super congrats to Lee. Thank you so much for your work. Yeah, I love it. It's an amazing work. All right. Off to our top maintainer / committer, awards. So we've had amazing individuals who've done incredible work in maintaining, the CNCF project that they're involved in. You could recognize a lot of these amazing, faces here. And I've known the award winner for a little bit, and he's done amazing work in kind of the Kubernetes and Istio communities. So I would like to congratulate John Howard for his amazing contributions to Kubernetes, Istio, Envoy, and so on. Truly amazing, amazing work. All right, for our final award, last year we introduced basically a notion of a Lifetime Achievement Award. I feel as an organization, we've been around for 10 years, getting a little bit older, getting our teens, and I think it's truly important to recognize folks who have gone truly above and beyond and made incredible impacts on CNCF and the cloud native ecosystem. And many of you have, recognized Tim Hawken in his wonderful hat and just enthusiastic energy. And so this year we decided to go award 2 individuals the Lifetime Achievement Award, and I'm excited to go bring them on stage. So Don Chang and Kevin Wang, we would love to bring them on. You guys are think you're mic'd up, right? So good. Perfect. Awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome. Words, feel free to speak. These are heavy. Awesome. There you go. And, perfect. Awesome. Here. Truly amazing work. Cool. It's going to bother my OCD. All right, we'll do that again. Feel free to speak about maybe anything you'd like to. I personally congratulate for all the amazing work both of you have done. So
I'll hold that for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you, Chris and George. Thank you, CNCF and the committee. This is an incredible honor to me. Yeah, and cloud native is fundamentally about of the community, innovation, and collaborations. This award is not just for me. It belongs to every contributor and the maintainer, and also the users, pushing the boundary of this entire of the ecosystem. And let's work together and build the future together. And thank you all. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm truly humbled and deeply surprised to receive this award. Thank you, CNCF. My contribution to the community started 10 years ago with Kubernetes. I really appreciate the early days, the enthusiasm, deep inclusion shown by the Kubernetes, especially the early maintainers. That makes me feel really welcomed and motivate me a lot. And that turned to be the foundation of my work to the broader community. So I would like to really thank every maintainer, contributor, especially I worked with. It has been always enjoyable working together with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. Cool. Awesome. We'll swap now. Nice. All right, thank you. Cool. Awesome. I think that's it, right?
What do we do?
Wrap it up. We're done. We'll pack up the show. We're good to go. Now let's go have fun and talk about
Cloud native?
Cloud native.
All day long?
Let's do it.
You all having a good time? Let's do it.
All right, let's go on and get on the next set of keynotes.